some, I don't know, but this is Nigeria. They are both from Nigeria. I am helping them every time they are in my place.
Yeah.
In the Eid.
Okay.
And then last night they said to me,
take the next right, then turn right.
I was thinking that there's amnesty. They said there's amnesty. Why did they change again their mind?
Who?
I mean UAE.
Take the next right, then turn right.
They said 2 months ago their visa was expired because they did not the company. Actually from Nigeria, they came from Nigeria for visit visa. And then the company promised that they will do the employment visa here.
That is the problem. Company will promise sometimes.
And then then they cancel the visa. They did not renew anymore.
Take the next left.